As we can see on our New Zealand USD on our time frame, by the way, we can see about yesterday, which was our prediction was actually correct. If you are watching my video, if you are following me consistently, that is why I want you to just subscribe. If you are new, like, share, and comment, by the way. So just subscribe to be able to follow my updates. We can see our New Zealand about our prediction that our price will actually be falling. And guess what? We actually add that for about 68 pips. We actually add that for. Those of you who followed me should be able to grab a lot. And I'm still saying it. We're actually looking for a fall to this our area here, giving us an head and shoulder pattern. We are still aiming to grab an head and shoulder pattern, by the way. Probably when we add it before we get it our key level here, then probably we might be seeing a push up. But before there, we should be seeing a push down on our New Zealand USD, by the way. But our daily time frame, that is exactly what we are. We are still looking for a short position. Today too, we're actually still looking for a 4 on our daily time frame. We are still aiming for a 4. Go on our 4-hour time frame. As we can see, we got the 4. Now we've gotten this reversal movement. We're actually aiming for a 4 to break below this our previous lower lows. We are waiting to break below our previous lower lows. See pushing down on our New Zealand USD on our 1 hour time frame too. See, same thing that we are aiming for. We've gotten this push up. Now we're actually waiting for a break below this our previous lower lows. We are on a downward trend on our New Zealand USD. And one thing is that I want you to notice is that we are still at our Sydney and Tokyo section. This is where we are currently, and our London section, it has not yet opened, and our New York section has not yet opened. Probably by the start of our new London section or New York section, we should actually be able to see a good move on it. And one thing is that no major news that will be coming out on our New Zealand that probably might be having good chance of that will have a good change in our price on our forex trade today. The only news that will be coming out is about 11:45 p.m., which will be low impact. Apart from our USD, which will be having a high impact news. So probably let's still take a short position on our New Zealand and break below it and continue pushing down to grab that our head and shoulder pattern we are actually looking for to grab. So that's it on our 1 hour, 4 hour and daily time frame. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.